Besides rumors and speculation, there is now visible evidence suggesting a growing rift within ZANU-PF. On Sunday, Kudakwashe Tagure hosted a wedding ceremony for one of his sons. Pictorial evidence from the event showed the attendance of key figures including Mr. Emerson Mnangagwa's family, cabinet ministers, church leaders, and prominent business tycoons. Sabina Mashkobran Chiwenga and the military survived Cape 3 was subscribe like on the bell icon. Even I'm number blind conscience to signal their apparent disapproval of the event. The Chiwenga came posted pictures claiming that General Kostano Chiwenga was at a farm instead of attending the wedding. Social media accounts aligned with Chiwenga, including that of Chiwenga's wife, later revealed that he was at ZVAITWA farm. Whose farm is this? What business happens there? Why choose this particular day to be absent when his boss and virtually everyone else attended the wedding? This development adds to growing speculation that there is an unspoken disagreement or political tension between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. At the same time, Mnangagwa's allies are pushing to pass Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, Cap 3, which is designed specifically close Chiwenga's chances of ever becoming president. The events have also fueled public speculation that Tagore himself may be positioning to become Zimbabwe's next president. If he can influence cabinet ministers, church leaders, and even the president to attend a private family function, what would stop him from influencing parliament to eventually vote him into the presidency? What does Cap 3 say about this? One of the controversial proposals in Cap 3 suggests that Parliament would choose a president in the event of a vacancy rather than relying solely on the principle of one man, one vote, and give all voting powers to MPs, and his move effectively sidelines Chiwenga by signaling that he may not automatically become Mnangagwa's successor. This then means once Cap 3 is passed, Chiwenga and the military, regardless of the influence they currently hold, will be politically neutralized and less useful. Doma developments are Pangwa Ino Zimbabwe. Akaiona the lavish wedding and Pangwa Ino VP Kosano Chiwenga was not there. We are sure that invitation of Gunaka receiver but is snapped. Now comment section videos of free input to leave on each. So subscribe or like, put it on the bill.